Hi everybody, as you may have guessed, this is Korean Hanguk, which is actually pretty difficult. However, Hangul, the writing system that they use, which I believe was created by a king, and I'm not a history major, but the Joseon era for everybody to be able to write, um, because previously they had used Chinese characters, which was very hard for everyone to learn. They wanted even the peasantry to be literate, so they created Hangul. Now, Hangul you can learn in a couple days. I do say sometimes I forget a couple characters, but it is easy. However, learning the language is very difficult. So I've come up with different strategies to help me along because my memory is not very good. Um, so the first one that I found out about is called mind mapping. Now, mind mapping is using pictures because I'm very visual, being an art student or art major. I'm very visual, and it's using pictures of things to get it into your head in sort of like a mapping system. Now, here's the one that I've created so far. You can see. Do I have it upside down? No. This is Hangul for fruit. And then I have every fruit. Now this may get confusing, or some fruit may look similar. Like maybe the persimmon here is not very obvious, but then you can just go, I wonder what that is here. If you can't read that, I think it's gum. Gum. I've created, this took even more time, a key. So it's got the Hangul, it's got the Konglish, I guess, or the phonetic way of writing, which Konglish I think is different, and then it's got the English in parentheses. So I have all these fruits, almost all of these. I don't have avocado. I don't think avocados, I think they're pretty hard to find in Korea. And then even many fruit you'll find are kiwi. It's kiwi. It's the same. So because many fruit are not native to Korea, so it can get quite expensive there. But I've included lots of those anyway. Like that's the Hangul for banana, lime. Orange is oranju. Where's orange? Down here. Yeah. So hopefully this will help me memorize these fruits. Of course, there are some fruits that we don't really have many of in America. There's a Korean melon, which actually is chamwe. So that's just an example of one way that I'm learning Korean. Anywho, if you have any questions for me, leave me a comment or send me a message. If you want to know how I specifically learned Hangul, or at least the characters, send me a message about that, and maybe I'll make a new video. I'm also using, if you want to know what books that I have, this is the second book I've tried. It's A Complete Korean by Teach Yourself. I think it used to be called Teach Yourself Korean, and then they changed it to Complete. It comes with 2 CDs. I'm finding it pretty dry right now. Like this entire dialogue that I translated was about 2 men who are friends, and they happenstance see each other. They see each other by happenstance, and they decide that they're both going to buy the same thing, bread, in the town center, and they should go together. So this entire thing is them meeting each other, saying hello, saying what they're doing, and that they should go together. Pretty boring. Some people like it. One of my friends loves the book. I'm going to give it more of a chance, although that was tedious. Anyway, hanggang hi haseyo. Bye-bye now.